Now see children, this is India map. Okay, you're having India map. This is south, this is north. This is tip is Kanyakumari. Okay, it ends with Kanyakumari. Now there is water body here. This is water body. Eta sharp jol. A jol. Eta par korar jonne duto jol. That is, this side we have Arabian Sea. Now you want to go for Bay of Bengal. From Arabian Sea, you want to go to Bay of Bengal. So what you will do is, from here you will come. There is one way here. You can go through this. It will be shortcut. Now if you come from here, you have to go to the Indian Ocean fully and then go to Bay of Bengal. Did you understand? So this place, this water, it is connecting two water bodies and it is between two land. Eta land, this is Sri Lanka. This is what? An island. This is an island and this is a peninsula. Okay, India. This is India. Now it is connecting two land. এই দুটো ল্যান্ডে কানেক্ট করে আমাদের এখান থেকে এখানে আসতে হবে, তো এই জলটা পার করব। আর এই আরেবিয়ান সি থেকে we have to come to the Bay of Bengal, তখন আমরা এই রাস্তাটা নেব। This is called strait. This is called strait. Did you all understand? So what is a strait? It lies, a strait, okay, lies between two land mass. A strait lies between মাঝখানে টু ল্যান্ড, দুটো ল্যান্ডের মাঝখানে যে জায়গাটা, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড স্ট্রেট। ইট কানেক্টস, কি কানেক্ট করে? টু ওয়াটার বডিজ, দুটো জলের, এই আলাদা জল আরেবিয়ান সি অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ বে অফ বেঙ্গল, দুটো ওয়াটার বডিকেও কানেক্ট করে। অ্যান্ড মাঝখানে কোথায়? দুটো মাটির মাঝখানে থাকে, দ্যাট ইজ ল্যান্ড মাঝখানে থাকে। Did you understand? Now what is isthmus? I'll show you. Now see, isthmus, it lies between two water bodies. Isthmus, this is isthmus. Did you understand? This is isthmus. This is North America, this is South America. It is lying between two, it is connecting, it lies between two water bodies. This is lying between two water bodies. দুটো জল, এদিকে জল ওইদিকে জল। Okay, this Pacific Ocean, Arabian, now this is Atlantic Ocean. It is lying between that. Okay, and connects two land masses. It is connecting two large land masses. Did you understand? It is connecting two land masses. এইখান থেকে আমরা এই জমিনে চলে যাব, এখান থেকে আমরা এখানে চলে আসবো। নর্থ আমেরিকা, সাউথ আমেরিকা, মাঝখানে একটু সরু মাটি আছে যেটা is called isthmus. Did you understand now? And here I told you what is strait. It lies between two landmass and two water bodies. It connects two water bodies. Okay, now hope you all have understood.